Today is 93 Mustang. Tie rod ends in sway link replacement. As you can look, you can see a gap up in there on the end link. So either someone didn't set them into standard. They don't look that bad, but still don't have a concern with it. Obviously the tie rods, you can see that it's leaking really bad on this. Based on this design, it doesn't look like an approved Ford one anyways. Ford ones are not serviceable and in most cases. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and replace the tie rods and the end links. I just got done putting new rotors, bearings, calipers, and brakes on the front. And with that, I'll get going on filming that as I go. Sway bars were 15 millimeter. I don't like about these old cars. Combination of metric and non-metric. Tie-in rod remover, OEM part number 57276. Bang. Tie rod part number is from Duralast, part number ES2150R. Because I pre-whited the mart, this nut with whiteout, what I do is after I get done removing the old tie rod, what I'll do is I'll move it within I move it to where the marking ends, and then what I'll do is back it off about a half a turn. That way when I screw this in, I'll do about a half turn to tighten it up, and it should be relatively close. You do need to reline the car after you do this. Now, if you mark it fairly good, you probably wouldn't, but I'm going to realign this car because it's new to me and it hasn't been through an alignment. But there's no reason to spend money on alignment if I haven't done all this yet. Surprisingly, these ball joints are greasable. So most Ford, or not ball joints, most Ford tie rods are not greasable. So this one is. So I'll go ahead and install that. 5/16. Some people will pre-grease this. I don't do that. But again, preference. I put it in and then I grease it. $17. Again, 47 foot-pounds. Oh, geez, this isn't good. Oh, and perfect. Again, 47 pounds. end links, or sway bar end links. VSL 93. I didn't have a lot of options of what I could buy for this. I usually don't buy value craft, but it is what it is. So what I did is I'm jacking up now the control arm to get room to install the end links, end link for the sway bar. You want to pre-install the other side, because once you get this compressed, you're not going to be able to put the other side in. So what I did is get the other side ready to go in, have it sitting there, and then I'll go ahead and get this one installed. So what I end up doing to get these sway bars in, it being a real pain in the butt, is I used the bushings or the rubber mounts from the old ones, got them up in there, and then once I got the bolt through far enough, I ended up going back and installing the correct rubber pieces. So they're in now. I'm going to go ahead and torque them to 12 foot-pounds.
So if you like this video, go ahead and smash the like button below. If you want to see more videos like this in the future, go ahead and click the subscribe button and the bell if you want some notifications. See you next time on Chasing Mustangs.
Thanks.
All right.
Great job.
Yeah, I see it like literally every day.